Okay, so in the last video we have seen the number based data types like integer, float. So in this video we are going to see string. So we have created this file. So what is string? String is a data type that stores character or group of character. It is kind of a text based data type. So let me just show you by an example. This is string. Just like last video, I'm going to show you the type of this data type, then we will go through it, don't worry. Sorry. Okay, so I think, yeah, so as you can see here, we just printed this variable a, and we also printed the type of this variable a. So as you can see here, it shows str. So what is meaning of this str? It is short form of string. Just like integer, it use int. String, it uses str. That's a string data type. So what is string? String is a data type that we can use to store characters, group of character. It is just a plain, we can use anything, plain text for to as a string. To create a string, you need to use this double quotes. As you can see here, so this is something different from what we have seen in a number float. You can either use this kind of double quotes, or you can use single quote. So to create a string, you need to use double quote or single quote. And the amazing thing here is that if I create something like this, now this is the number, right? As we have seen in the last video, this is the integer number. But if I do this, and now if I print this, now it's a string. Why? So Python does not treat this as a number anymore. It just treat this as a character, as a normal text, because we assign it with this double quote. So anything inside this double quote or single quote will be treated as a string, as a general character or group of characters, or generally text. So it is a, as I said, it's a group of characters. In other languages like Java, where you have separate data type like char, and string also, there are very two data types. Char is to store a single character, something like this. If I have to store just a single character, something like this, then I can use char. And if I have to use something like this, group of character, for that we have string. But in Python, whether it is single character or group of characters, we have these string data types, right? You can also create this multi-line string here. For that we need triple double quote, triple single quotes. This is multi-line string that I am creating here, and I like. So here, as you can see, that I have created this multi-line string. To create multi-line string, you can either use this triple, sorry, what do we call it, triple double quotes or triple single quotes, something like this. Yeah, we don't use that often this, generally we use this normal string, single line string, right? Just to show you, we just use something like this. So to create a string, we use this double quotes. And as I told you, this string is nothing but group of character. It just is a plain text, right? So let me show you. Okay, don't okay, let me show you this way. Don't worry if you don't get is what is this a, or what is this 4 here. Let me show you something here interesting. So this is basically for loop that we are going to learn in the later videos, don't worry. So what we are doing is we printing each character of this group of characters, this string. So now these are the character, even the space is treated as a character. So string is basically nothing, but it can be used to store single character or group of characters, right? As I told you that in Python, whether it is a string, single character, or group of character, we have just one data type for that string, right? And even if you assign any number as a in the double quotes, it is treated as a string, not a number, right? So to create string, we use this double quotes, or we use single quotes, right? Okay, so that's a string for you. In the next video, we are going to see various methods that we can use on string. So thank you for watching.